Today's story is about Snoopy, a puppy. Andy and Harry were playing in a yard. They were building a castle. Ira, their sister, was playing on a swing. Birds were singing, chirping on the tree. Butterflies were flying. Suddenly, Andy went out. He heard Puppy's sound. After some time, he came with a muddy puppy holding in his hands. Ira called loudly, "Mom! Mom!" Mom came and was stunned and looking at Eddie. She was very angry, but just controlled her anger and asked Eddie, "Where you found this?" He said, "Mom, he was fallen in a puddle and was trying to come out. I pulled it out. Mom, I want this puppy. We will take care of it." Ira was also very happy. She said, "Mom, please allow it to stay with us. We will take care of it." Mom was speechless. She said, "Okay." Dad and children washed the puppy and fed it. Then they keep it in a car shed at night. On the next day, they took it to a vet and vaccinated it. Children started playing with joy. Harry and his elderly brother took out the puppy for a walk. The puppy was named as Snoopy, a cute family member. Snoopy. He was welcomed warmly. Yay! If you like this video, subscribe and click like button. See you next time.